Today we are diving into the top 10 features of Samsung Internet. Get ready for some surprises because this browser has a lot more than meets the eye. Number 10. Install Ad Blocker. Nothing ruins a browsing experience quite like intrusive ads. Samsung Internet comes to the rescue with an option to install ad blockers. This is an add-on that you can easily install to block those annoying pop-ups and banner ads, ensuring a seamless browsing experience. You can find a variety of ad blockers in the extension sections of the browser settings. Number 9. Sync Samsung Internet bookmarks to your PC browser. For those of you who often switch between your phone and computer while browsing, Samsung Internet has a handy feature: the ability to sync Samsung Internet bookmarks to your PC browser. Although Samsung Internet doesn't have a native desktop browser, it offers a workaround. First, you will need to sync your Samsung Internet data with Samsung Cloud, and here is how to do it. Open Samsung Internet on your phone, tap on the hamburger menu icon, the three horizontal lines, tap on Settings and look for Sync with Samsung Cloud option. Enable the toggle to start syncing your data. Next, let's get those bookmarks on your PC browser. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your desktop. Navigate to Samsung Internet on the Chrome Web Store or Microsoft Edge add-ons store. Click Add to Chrome or Add to Edge button. With that, your Samsung Internet bookmarks are now accessible on your desktop. Sliding into number 8 is Video Assistant. If you consume a lot of video content online, you will love this feature. With intuitive gesture controls, you can change volume, brightness, fast forward or rewind, and even lock the video interface for uninterrupted viewing. Number 7 is a feature for you all night owls out there: dark mode. Samsung Internet doesn't just switch to the dark mode, it goes all out. It darkens as many elements as possible on your screen, even going pitch dark sometimes. But beware, it can sometimes make certain websites hard to read. However, if your phone sports an AMOLED panel, dark mode can help extend your battery life as well. At number 6, we have got an ergonomic feature: change address bar position to bottom. Instead of reaching to the top of the screen to type in a new web address, you can move the address bar right above the toolbar at the bottom. It's a game changer for one-handed browsing. And you can turn this on by going in Settings, Useful Features, then in Layout and Menus, and here you can select Show Address Bar at bottom. You can also turn on other features like Show Tab Bar and Show Bookmarks Bar as well, that will show up at the bottom as well. Cracking into the top 5, we have the Privacy Dashboard. As its name suggests, this feature is all about giving you more control over your online privacy. The Privacy Dashboard allows you to view and manage your browsing data, receive warnings about potentially harmful sites, and even set the browsing to automatically clear your browsing history, cookies, and cached images after closing a tab. Coming in at number 4 is customizable tabs. Gone are the days of squinting to find the right tab in a crowded browser window. With Samsung Internet, you can organize and customize your tabs for a streamlined browsing experience. You can view all your tabs at once and easily switch between them. Plus, you can close them all with one tab as well. At number 3, we have the Reader mode. This feature simplifies the view of web pages, stripping away any unnecessary elements, including ads, and leaving you with just the text and pertinent images. You can adjust the font size for easier reading, and it's like having a mini ebook reader in your browser. At number 2, we have a feature for those who value absolute privacy. With just a few taps, you can eliminate any trace of your browsing history, bookmarks, or cache. Do keep in mind, however, that any data synced to Samsung Pass or Samsung Cloud remains untouched. And here is how to do it. Step 1 is to open Samsung Internet and go to Settings. Step 2, scroll down until you find Discontinue Use of Samsung Internet. Step 3, confirm your choice in the following menu. Your Samsung Internet data has been wiped clean. This feature makes it easy to keep your browsing activity private. And finally, at number 1, we have the password protected secret mode. Think of it as an upgraded incognito mode. Not only does it pause your browsing history and delete cookies, but it also allows you to password protect your private tabs, ensuring your browsing activities stay private. Plus, any files downloaded in secret mode are hidden from the gallery and only accessible through secret mode. Now that's what we call private browsing.